Adobe Pro 101, Adobe Pro products? There likely isn't a single software product called Adobe Pro offered by Adobe. Here are two possibilities based on what you might be referring to. 1. Adobe Acrobat Pro DC*. This is a widely used software application for working with portable document format, PDF, files. It allows you to, edit PDFs, edit text and images within PDFs, add comments and annotations, and rearrange pages. Convert PDFs to editable Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint formats, or vice versa. Create PDFs from various file formats like JPG, PNG, or Word documents. Secure PDFs, password protect and encrypt PDFs to restrict access and control editing permissions. Fill and sign, fill out fillable forms and electronically sign PDFs. 2. Adobe Creative Suite. Historical. In the past, Adobe offered a software suite called Adobe Creative Suite, CS, that included various design and creative applications under one subscription. While CS is no longer offered, Adobe Creative Cloud, CC, is the current subscription model that provides access to multiple creative applications, including Photoshop, Illustrator, and After Effects, which we discussed earlier. Here's a quick guide to help you determine which one you might be interested in. If you need to edit, create, and manage PDF documents, then Adobe Acrobat Pro DC is the right choice. If you're looking for a suite of creative design applications like Photoshop and Illustrator for photo editing, graphic design, and more, then Adobe Creative Cloud might be a better fit.